Windows play a vital role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. But like every part of your home, windows don't last forever. If you're living in Eagle, Idaho, where seasonal changes can range from snowy winters to hot, dry summers, your windows endure a lot of wear and tear. Over time, they may no longer function as they should, and that can affect more than just your view. If you're unsure whether it's time to upgrade, here are the top signs it's time for window replacement in your Eagle home. Rising energy bills. One of the clearest indicators that your windows are no longer performing efficiently is a noticeable increase in your heating and cooling costs. Old or poorly insulated windows allow drafts, which forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a consistent temperature. If your energy bills are creeping up, especially during Eagle's cold winters or warm summers, it could be due to single-pane glass with poor insulation, cracked seals or frame, drafts from improperly closing windows. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient models can lead to significant savings and improved indoor comfort. Drafts and temperature fluctuation. Walk by your windows on a chilly day. Do you feel a cool draft or notice uneven temperatures near them? That's a strong sign your windows have lost their sealing power or insulation. In a climate like Eagle's, this can make certain rooms uncomfortable and even cause your heating or cooling system to run continuously. New windows with tight seals and energy-efficient glass can eliminate these drafts and help you maintain a stable indoor climate. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows should open and close smoothly. If you find yourself struggling to operate them, or if they stick, jam, or won't stay open, it may be due to warped frames from moisture damage, broken internal mechanism, aging hardware, or structural shifting. Aside from being frustrating, these issues can pose safety risks, especially if the window won't open during an emergency. New windows not only operate effortlessly but also come with improved security features. Visible damage or decay. Your windows are exposed to the elements year-round. Over time, exposure to moisture, wind, and UV rays can lead to peeling paint or cracked frames, water stains or rot on wood frames, mold or mildew buildup. These issues aren't just cosmetic. They can lead to structural damage and reduced home value. Replacing damaged windows improves your home's appearance and ensures your window openings are fully sealed against future issues. Fog or condensation between panes. If your double or triple pane windows look foggy and have condensation trapped between the glass, it's a sign that the seal has failed. This means the insulating gas, like argon or krypton, has escaped, reducing the window's thermal performance. Once the seal is broken, the window is no longer providing proper insulation and needs to be replaced. New windows offer better UV protection, insulation, and clear visibility. Outside noise is too loud indoors. Do you hear every car that passes or the neighbor's dog barking all day? Older windows may offer little to no sound insulation, especially if they're single pane or poorly sealed. Modern windows are designed with noise reduction in mind, providing a quieter, more relaxing home environment. This can be a major improvement for homes near busy streets or schools in Eagle. Final thoughts. Protect and improve your home with new windows. If you're noticing any of the above issues, it may be time to invest in window replacement for your Eagle home. New windows not only enhance energy efficiency and comfort but also boost your home's security, beauty, and long-term value. Consult with a trusted local window professional to assess your current windows and explore replacement options tailored to Eagle's unique climate. A small change today can bring years of comfort and savings ahead.